Morning class. Today we're going to do some sight words, and what I want you to do is follow me. In other words, copy what I say, pronounce it as clearly as you can, and make a video. Once you've done all that, I also want you then to write them down and remember them. Okay, so word challenge. Number 1, camp. Number 2, lamp. Number 3, damp. Now, camp in my country is where the army lives, right? And we have many camps. We have them all over the world. Wherever the English army is, we have a camp for the soldiers to live in. Lamp is one of these, but small. You can carry it. Damp, it's not wet, but it's not dry. So you can feel that it's wet, but you can't get any water out of it. Dump, pump, and lump. Dump is a place where we take our rubbish and throw it away. Pump is something that you use to get water from the bottom of your well. Lump, if I hit my head on the door, I will get a lump, and it will be very not nice. So, number 3, hump, jump, and bump. A hump, if it's in the road, it goes like that, right? So your car has to go over there. It's a hump. Camels also have humps. You have 2 types of camels, and I do not know their names. But one has 1 hump, and the other has 2 humps, and they hold water, so they can go for a long time walking in the desert. Jump. We all know jump. That's a jump. Bump. Now, if I bump into this is a bump. So if a table's here and I'm talking and I walk and I bang, I have bumped into a table. Help. Help, you shout when you need somebody to come and rescue you. Help. Yelp is if you stand on a dog's foot. A dog always yelps, so he'll go, arr, 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 arr. That's a yelp. A gulp is when you drink water really fast and you go, That's a gulp. Milk. Milk is a liquid that is white and it's full of calcium. When you were young, or when I was young, I would drink a lot of milk because it was natural. Now, they put the milk here, and they have sort of like a fire here and a fire here. So the milk goes this way and then that way. And I don't know why they do that, but they take all the goodness from the milk. But when I was a young boy, very good for your teeth and your bones. Silk. Silk is a fabric that's made from silkworms. And they're long and white and they look like dry sticks. Silk is very expensive material. Once you've weaved, you make a shirt, a lot of money. Bulk means more than one, it means many. Melt. So if you have ice cube here, to melt the ice cube, it only has to be outside, and it will be like that, turn into water. It melts. Felt. Felt is a material that is put on billiard and snooker tables. It's green and the balls can run on it like grass. Felt also means, oh, I felt your arm. Belt. It's to keep your trousers up. Number 7, sand, hand, land. Sand. Now sand is made from shells and fish bones. And it goes to show you just how much fish or how many fish live in the sea, because we have a lot of sand. Hand, that's one hand. Land. Land is everywhere you can see, unless you are on a ship, then you will just see the ocean. But land is where you put your house. 8. Bend, send, mend. Bend, if this is a stick, it means that you can bend the stick. Send. Send, I can send a letter to England from here. I just need to put a stamp here and put the address of where it's going. Take it to the post office and they will send it for me. Mend. So here I have a rip in my trousers. I can repair it by doing this with cotton and a needle. It doesn't look nice, but it's no longer a hole. 9. A pond, bond and fond. Pond is smaller than a lake and bigger than a puddle. So it will still be like this, and you can have trees around it, right? But the most important thing is it will have ducks. Lots of ducks in the pond in England. A bond. So I want to stick something together. So I have this and I have this. If I put glue here and then stick it together, it becomes a bond. A bond is also like a friendship. So when you meet somebody and you like them, you make a bond, and you will have that bond until somebody does something wrong. Fond. Fond means that you like somebody. Oh, I'm fond of you. It means that even if they do not say anything, when they sat next to you, you feel happy, but you do not know why. You're not in love, you're just happy and fond of that person. Okay, you don't have to draw this, but you have to copy this into your textbook. You have to take a few deep breaths. And then you have to read them, and once you think you can read them, I would like you to make me a video. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.